On our last trip, we flew to Belize for some adventure. We stopped at a place called Ian Anderson's Resort to do the Black Hole Drop. It consists of rappelling down a 300-foot cliff through the canopy below and landing on the jungle floor. It was quite a trek to the cliff face to begin with. Then we rappelled down the cliff. Everything worked out fine. Now we have to climb the cliff face to get back to our transportation to our jungle resort. Unfortunately, the trek back up the cliff face was no easy task. This video shows just how much of a task it was to get back up the cliff face. You have to be in great physical shape to complete, as we were told before we signed up for it. By all means, it was not easy. We gathered our guides and several other adventurous climbers to begin our climb back up the cliff face. As we started off, a light rain started falling, which made things a little more difficult and dangerous. Oh yes, did I mention we had to pack our repelling equipment with 3 liters of water on our back? It was approximately 20 plus pounds of weight.
Very slippery. Make use of the rope to your left, the rock to your right.
Keep the rope on your left and walk to the right, he says.
The day after we left.
We finally made it to the cliff face cave to start our exhausting climb back up.
What is that?
It's a bear.
No, seriously, what is it?
I don't know. Tony was a little curious as to the formation at the bottom of the cliff. It was just a stalagmite. Formation
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, look at this. I noticed another stalagmite just under the ledge.
That is pretty cool.
Alright, welcome to Petroglyph Cave, amigos. This is the start of a 27-kilometer cave system, as I said earlier. And why petroglyph? We have some Mayan writings that are carved into the wall. That's why the name petroglyph, right? It's somewhere in there. And we only get to see this writings whenever we do the overnight.
Okay.
Yes. Lunch.
It's all recorded.
Depending how they're feeling, we ask them if they want to go exploring after lunch, or we do the other day.
Now we start the exhausting climb back up. And one of the ladies with us was actually pregnant.
person faces the wall. Right here, with your right hand. Take your time.
You got it? You want some help? I got a good handle.
The thing is on you.
Yes. It's intending to. Whoops, following too close. This is where it got a little more complicated. You could hear me panting all the way up. Yep.
Oh, Jesus.
I know. And now we reach the point where we have to climb a 30-foot ladder to get up over this ledge.
Christmas light. You want to go first? Yeah. Because he went last.
Go for it.
I'm
Salud.
going. Now it was my turn to climb the ladder. I guess I was climbing the ladder too fast for the guide that was belaying us, so I had to slow down and let him catch up. Oh, I think I can make it. I think I can. Thank you much.
You're welcome. Up. Follow the rail.
Follow. What? Keep going.
Thank you.
Now this section of the climb was really stressful. You could hear my breathing and my heartbeat. Oh shit. I think I'm getting a little too old for this shit. Nah, never slow down, never get old. I think I lost Bonnie. Yeah, here she comes. That's real breathing.
What?
Talking to the camera. Good?
Yeah.
Want to rest a minute?
So we can take our gear off here.
Yeah. Okay, I believe the worst is behind us. At this point, we can relax a little bit and take our gear off. How do I get out of this? Boy, your pack is a lot heavier than mine.
I think I have all the full water.
And if you look over to the left, you can see where we repelled down the cliff face with the cave in view also. Ah, home again, home again. Get a nice outside shower. And a great night's rest. Cocktail time.